just out of the, we're just out of the operating room, pretty much. Probably an hour out of the operating room. And are you having any pain with that?
No.
Okay. Let's see, we're running here. Yeah, so pull your foot all the way back. All the way back as far as you can. Good.
I have to push it.
There we
All right.
go.
That's good. Now bring it all the way out straight. All the way out. All the way out. Lift it up. Good. And this is how far now since your surgery? About 3 hours?
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours.
No,
Okay.
well, no, I was in a
Yes.
recovery room at 11:15.
So that's great. Yeah, that's doing great.
And he's already done the stairs.
Good.
And walked
All right.
the whole
Excellent. So
show.
you've done the
It's ready to
stairs
go.
already.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yep, did great.
They wouldn't use a stopwatch.
No, he did it very well.
So good. Do it again. Excellent. All right.
That's amazing.
Very good. Is it hurting?
No,
No. Good. Have you been up walking?
I walked over to the stairs and back.
Good.
I didn't ride back, I walked back.
All right. All right. So pull it right out straight. Good. And bend it all the way up. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up.
I'll be in the...
All right, that's good. So this is now about 3 hours after your total knee.
Yeah.
Good. So do that again. That's it. That's it. Pull it back. Excellent. Oh, that's very good. Okay. And now bring it out straight.
Yeah, you did. So.
We are now how far after?
What, 2 hours?
2 hours. Okay. Bring your leg all the way out. Whoops. Do it again. All the way up. So that's pretty good for 2 hours. Excellent. Okay. That's pretty darn good. And so we'll just I'll do is I'll get. And how's your pain?
No pain.
No
None at
pain.
all.
Okay. Excellent. All right. We'll get you up and going.